Now Tura Lerailum Kailum Sier Wana From every land, from every sky, from deep within, a call goes high. Remember now, we are not few, we are the one in many hues. No border binds, no wall can stand when love awakens hand. Time is now, the veil is thin. Let the song of oneness begin. Can you hear it? It's soft. I hear it. The heartbeat of the earth. It beats within since my birth. Can you feel it? It's soft. I feel it. The fire of the one. It burns in me. I am not alone. We are the one, not two, not three, but all. Separation, no more the dream of isolation. The child in Africa, the elder in Japan, the whale in the sea, the bird in span. All pulses beat to the same divine drum. All souls are threads of the same bright sun. The pain you feel, I feel it too. The joy you know, it shines in you. For we are not beside, we are within. The same soul for peace, for love, for truth, in service to the greater proof that no soul is lost, no light undone. We are the one, and we are so it is, so it is.